everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. I'm going to change engine oil and engine oil filter. So it's very simple DIY work, and without wasting in time, let's get started. Things we need: ratchet, 15mm socket, filter wrench, funnel, good quality oil filter, 5W30 synthetic oil, and it's a 6 quart. And then you need rag. So we have a 6 quarts. I have everything linked below under my description. Please check it out. Since HUMMER has a lot of clearance, we can slide underneath. So please wear safety glasses. So we're going to crank open the bolt of the pan right here. This required 15 mm. So we're going to use a ratchet and we're going to open that. And the filter is right here. First we're going to take out the oil. We're going to get the drain bucket. So we're going to crank it open. So it's loose now. And now I can bring the bucket underneath. Get a big drain bucket. So we're going to open it. Get a huge bucket because you don't want to spill oil in your garage. So once it's open, take the bolt out. Ensure that you have a drain bucket underneath so you can collect the oil. So you let it drain until it's fully stops. So let's wait until 10 minutes. Then I'm going to open the filter. So once the oil is draining at the bottom, open the lock and pull it out. So now we're going to open oil filter. You can use the wrench or you can use this kind. Whatever easier for you. You crank it open. It's like that. So now I can open with the hand. It's kind of a little harder because of this grill right here, but it can be done. So now it's going to drain a lot of oil from here as well. Make sure our drain bucket is underneath. Just clean up with the rag. This is the oil filter, the O-ring. Just put a little oil on it. So now we're going to put this filter back. So once aligned it perfectly, just keep rotating. So you tighten it, you do the good hand tight. So it's really important that any dripped oil, just clean it. And now we're going to place the bolt and we're going to tighten it and we torque it down to the specification. Okay, that's good enough. Make sure that you clean any oil. So now we're going to put the oil in. We have our funnel ready. I have a 6 quarts. And as for your requirement of your particular vehicle, please check your manual. I'm going to fill it up, and filling process is the same. You have your funnel ready. We're going to place the oil in. So make sure that you don't drip it. It's always advisable. You can use a rag on the side. If you spill it, then it won't make your car dirty. So I'm done with the 1 quart and I'm going to finish up the rest. I'm done finishing with the 4 quarts of oil. And 2 more quarts to go. And this is the strictly optional that I add. It's oil stabilizer to all my car when I change the oil. It helps out the engine and also it increases the performance. So it's strictly optional if you want to add it. And one thing I want to share with you that if you're going to add it, now I'm going to use only 5 quarts. I'm going to keep 1 quart and I'm going to fill up with the 5 quart and 1 quart is this. So I'll take this one, open it, and this one has a seal. And this one is pretty sticky. It's a very sticky. So when we're going to add, it's going to be like this. So in order to take it out, you have to press it. So it's always a good idea to add in right in the middle. So I'll finish up. This is the last quart, and this is how it's easy and simple to change engine oil and oil filter on your HUMMER H2. And if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps. Thank you and bye-bye.